This vehicle is a VW campervan from Mercus Camper. Now I'll just point this one out. Are you a car dealer? Let's work with us. 100,000 euros this thing's going to cost. Hey, look at the graphics on it. Who's got such nice graphics on their vehicles? And there's an even better one around here. I think that looks pretty good. I mean, it's, of course, two bears fighting is not the sort of image I would want to portray. But anyway, right. It's on a 4x4 basis, as you can see. It's got a tent in the roof. It's got a Fiamma awning. And we've got a snorkel here as well. As I open the door, we see it does look a bit more rugged with the way the seats have been done. But really, obviously, it is a traditional sort of VW camper. Inside, I've got these, the storage from pouches. And, oh, this all lifts up. And you've got, well, it's an empty space under there, which means it's storage. And through here, see, it's not going to collapse on me, is it? Down there, more storage, and here, in there. Oh, well, so it is, of course, typical what you might see on a VW. There you go, 2 burners, sink. Storage here, which has been set up a little bit in a non-standard manner. Tent in the roof. And now, if for something like this, what one really needs to consider are the details of the 4x4 traction, etc. And unfortunately, I can't give them, do you? But I can show you the really exciting logo, the decals on the outside. So, if you're into decals on the outside, this is definitely the vehicle to have. Oh yeah, it's heavy. Can't open it, sorry. I did try. So I think the decals are pretty good. Oh, there's a nice wolf. So a Mercus VW camper, and if you're a car dealer, they are looking for people to work with. So there you go. Mercus are manufactured in Poland. Actually, this VW probably was also manufactured in Poland as well. So it's a Polish brand, which is unknown actually in Poland. I've never seen one once in Poland, and I do spend most of, well, maybe not most, but in Poland more than anywhere else. So, and I do tend to notice RVs as they're driving around. Thanks very much for watching.